Okay, dear friends, I am explaining chapter 2 from NCERT book, inverse trigonometric functions. So now let fx equal to y, where x is domain and y is the range. So we can say the principal range function, trigonometric function f inverse y equal to x. Therefore, y is a range and x is a domain. So I am demonstrating the principal range of the trigonometric functions. So inverse trigonometric functions, sin inverse x, cosec inverse x, and tan inverse x have the domain for -1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. So principal range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and cosec inverse x is greater than equal to 1 or x is less than equal to 1, it is the domain. So principal range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 including 0, and tan inverse x or real numbers is the domain of tan inverse x, and principal range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. For learning, remembering that all trigonometric functions sin inverse x, cosec inverse x, tan inverse x varies minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Similarly, cos inverse x and sec inverse x and cot inverse x, these are the same type. So they have the domain -1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, and sec inverse x is greater than 1 or x is less than -1, cot inverse x or real numbers. So cos inverse x has the principal range 0 to pi, and sec inverse x 0 to pi including pi by 2. Cot inverse x or real number 0 to pi. So for remembering, the principal range varies from 0 to pi. So we can demonstrate diagrammatically also. So we shall explain with the help of diagram. So in simple way, we can say the sin inverse x and cosec inverse x and tan inverse x, the principal range varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and cos inverse x and sec inverse x and cot inverse x the principal range varies from 0 to pi. So we can say that on the board we can demonstrate with the help of diagrammatically of these inverse trigonometric functions, and write down it. I am giving a few seconds to you. We can express the principal range through the diagrammatically. Then sin inverse x, cosec inverse x and tan inverse x varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and cos inverse x and cot inverse x and sec inverse x varies from 0 to pi. So I am giving some notes about the inverse trigonometric functions. Now I am explaining some important notes about the inverse trigonometric functions. So note number 1: domain of a trigonometric function means the range. Domain of a trigonometric function means the range of its inverse trigonometric function. The inverse of only bijective functions 1, 1 and on 2 are possible. It means fx equal to y. The domain, all values of domain x equal to range. So therefore this function is equal to 1, 1 function, and implies that f inverse y equal to x. So this is the range and this is the domain, so we can say it is called onto function. And giving a third note, sin inverse x is not equal to sin x का whole inverse. It means sin inverse x is the angle whose sine is x, while sin x is just a number. And third, principal range means numerically the least range. We have to write all the answers in principal range. These notes forwarded. Note number 5. I am explaining note number 5. First point, interval. It is the closed interval. AB means all values between A and B when A and B are also included. And interval AB, it is the closed or open interval, means all values between A and B when A and B are not included. Interval AB means all the values between A and B when A is included while B is excluded. Fourth point, interval AB means, this type of interval means all the values between A is excluded while B is included. Fifth point, AB is not an interval but it is a set which contains only two elements A and B. Next, I will take lecture tomorrow.